Dr. M.L. Davde was a prolific thinker, a prolific clinician, and a prolific academician. And if there is any work that encompasses all the facets of his life, then it is in Perceiving One. In Perceiving One, this was a book that he had compiled together, and he has brought together his writings on all various topics related to his clinical acumen, his clinical philosophy, his way of looking at man, his writings on education, right from the time of early 70s up to almost his last. And most surprisingly, in the last section, he writes about perceiving of the living Mater America. And if we look at all these aspects in a very, very close way, we will find that he was a phenomenal thinker. And all the thoughts that he has expressed in this work of his will not be found in any of the other publications that he mooted during his lifetime. The other very remarkable issue of this book is that the manner in which he expresses himself. The abstractions are very precise and are almost perfect. So, if we are really wanting to know the deepest thoughts, then looking at Perceiving One, studying Perceiving One in all its dimensions is the apt solution to knowing what Dr. M.L. Davde was.